Hey guys, welcome back in my new video. So in this video we're gonna install Oracle software in our server. So here I'm using Windows Server 2008 R2 version. So let me show this to you. So for now we are installing it in Windows Server, and further on we will move to Linux and then we'll install it here. So here I'm using this one, Windows Server 2008 R2 standard. Okay, so let me start it. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use CMD command line to set it up. So here this is the path where I have put my directory Oracle software package files and more. So let me open it here. So what I will need here, I will need the complete path. So this is the path. Okay, let me paste it here. So I can see it here now. We do have database. So let us enter into the database. Then what we can do here is, if you will open this database directory, here is in setup application. This is the execution file actually. So we're gonna run this execution file from CMD. So let us do this setup. Let me maximize it. Here we're gonna set the Oracle home name. So let us put it like this because we are using 11G. 11G is the database and R2 is the operating system. So let us enter it here. So it will start the execution. It will call the Oracle Universal Installer, which you're gonna start it from here also. So I have invoked this execution file, and now it will start the setup and will give you in GUI very soon. So let us do this. So it takes a bit time, so we can wait for that. Okay, so we can see here in my window it is Oracle Database 11G. So it is starting the driver. It is setting the drivers. Okay, so you can enter the email here if you want to. If you want the notifications on your email address, so you can put it here. So we do not wish it to receive it for now. So we'll uncheck this and we'll go for next. Here is the installation options. In installation options, you can only install a software and also configure a database along with the installation. So for now, we are only installing the software and we'll configure the database separately so that we can know about the database which we are creating, which we will create, and can deep dive into those files and the directories which are being configured while setting a database. So let us install database software only for now. So we do want a single instance database installation, or we do want real application clusters database installation. So here for now we are installing single instance database installation. Let us click on next. You can select your language here. So okay, it is already there, so I don't need it. Okay, so here are the few options which edition you're gonna use. So in this video, in this installation, I'm gonna use Enterprise Edition for testing purpose now, because I'm using the trial version of Oracle. So for testing, Enterprise Edition is good because we do have all the features available in this. So we will come to know about many things that may not be available in standard edition and the personal edition. So let us install it. Here is the Oracle base. So what you want in Oracle base, what directory you want to be the Oracle base. So I will choose it here. I do want it like this, C drive Oracle, and here I will want it like 11G R2. Why I'm using this 11G R2? Because in future we will install multiple database on the single server. So in that case we will distinguish it by using R2, R3 or 11G, 12G. like this. So I'm using it right now like this. So let us go further, click on next. So here the installation starts. So at this step it is checking for the prerequisites if my server or if my operating system is eligible for installing this Oracle database on it. So let's check the prerequisites and then it will give us the summary. So here is the summary. You can see the response file here. It will save a response file RSP with a RSP extension. So let me show you what it is. Let us select save it desktop, save, okay. So here I can see it. Okay, let me see if I can open it. We can open it. Oh, no. Okay, so here we can see all the paths and being configurations configuring parameters that are being configured for this installation. So in this response file you can see that. So here is the response file version. Oracle install this and install db only. Here it is what it is saying, install underscore db underscore software only. So we are only installing the software, we are not configuring the database. That's why this parameter is being written here. Host name is this is my server name, or you can say host name. Here is the installation or inventory location. So here are the files which will be created during you will be use the Oracle. So these files are basically used for inventory purpose. Select language. So these are the things basically which we have selected during the installation part. So we have selected the language, we have selected the base location. So here is the Oracle home location, here is the Oracle base. So all these parameters we have selected at the time of installation. So that gets recorded in this file here. So we can save it for further for your future use, because you can copy or you can see the steps that you have followed previously and you want to follow them now. So this is responsible file, this RSP file will be useful for you. So let us go for finish. So it will install your software now. So let it install it and then we'll see if it's done or not. So it may take some time. So let it complete its installation. Till that time, let me pause the video. Okay guys, so we can see Oracle database is being installed now. So we can close it. We are good to close it. Now let us validate whether it got installed successfully or not and how it got installed. So let us click on all programs and here we can see 11gr2. So this is the 11gr2 name we have given in the command line prompt. So you must have seen that in command line I have typed Oracle home name. So this is what we have given there. So let us click it. So here we can see application development. In application development you will find SQL developer and SQL plus. So SQL plus is the you know very well for SQL queries and all. So you can do SQL operations over in this application. I'll show it later in later videos how to use and what is the use and how you're gonna work on this SQL plus. Apart from this, we do have configuration and migration tools. In this, you can use net configuration assistant for network issues, for setting up the network configurations. Net manager is the Oracle upgrade assistant, Oracle database configuration assistant. So database configuration assistant you can use directly to create a database. But apart from using this tool utility, we're gonna create database manually by using commands, and also I'll show you each and every step we've been configured or we will configure while creating a database. So that will be a good practice for your knowledge. So let us do that in later videos. Apart from this, we do have Oracle install products. What are here is the universal installer. So here you can upgrade or uninstall your Oracle from here. So this is the same which we revoked while use that command setup in command line. So this is the one which we basically invoked. So these are the things. So we can see Oracle is being installed now. So now will have to set up database for this so that we can work on that. So let us do that in my next video. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Bye bye.